The intestines absorb water and nutrients for the body from the food and water we eat and drink. The mucus layer is a gel made of glycoproteins called mucin. These are produced by the intestines to protect the intestinal epithelial cells from aggressions, such as bacteria and other antigens. Mucins are made of specific amino acids and carbohydrates that make up the skeleton for mucus. The constant renewal of the mucus layer needs an increase in the supply of essential and non-essential amino acids from ingested proteins. Crohn's disease is a chronic, relapsing, and remitting inflammatory disease of the intestine that can affect the small and large intestine. The inflammation will reduce the mucus layer conferred barrier protection, which leads to loss of gut barrier integrity and to cell injury. The inflammation results in poor absorption of proteins, and at the same time, there is an increase in the need for specific amino acids to restore the mucus layer. Through a specialized nutritional intervention, the amino acids necessary for mucin production are replenished to restore the mucosal barrier. This helps break the inflammatory cycle and promote mucosal healing. The absorption of amino acids in the small intestine improves the mucosal barrier of the intestine. Such specific nutritional intervention restores the gut mucosal barrier function by increasing mucin production. This replenishes the mucus layer and contributes to the mucosal healing process.